Hey everyone, I wanted to just hop on YouTube and do a quick video explaining how you can still, even in March 2020, still upgrade your Windows 7 or Windows 8 to a free, yes, free. Don't spend $139. Get it free. Watch this video. Alright guys, today we're going to walk you through upgrading your operating system from Windows 7, Windows 8 to Windows 10 absolutely free. That's right. I almost made the mistake of spending $139 to upgrade to Windows 10 because, as you all know, Windows 7 is no longer supported by Microsoft. So technically the upgrade expired in 2016, but here in March 2020 you can still upgrade for free. All right, now the first thing you want to do is go to the Download Windows 10 website. This is a Microsoft website. It's completely legit. You can see there it's Microsoft.com. I will leave a link in the description so you can just click on it because there are a lot of things out there that don't take you to this page. So the first thing you want to do is click on the download tool now. That's going to take a second and then we're going to want to run it. Open that up. Click yes. It's going through its phases here. Usually takes a couple minutes to do this, depending on your computer. All right, there's a bunch of legal jargon there. If you want to read it, go ahead. Otherwise, click accept. Now I did this on my other computer, which had Windows 7. This one has Windows 8. It took me about an hour to do, so give yourself some time to do it. It's not quick by any means. And yes, I want to upgrade this computer now. I will click next. And right now it's downloading Windows 10. So this is going to take quite a bit of time, and we'll come back and finish up once this gets done downloading. Alright, so the second part of the installation is complete. We're here at applicable notices and license terms. Click on accept. I have an option to pick and choose what you want to keep. We're getting a few updates right now. Let's see how quickly this moves. So it's going to come to a screen where it asks you what you want to keep, and of course you're going to want to keep everything that you have on your computer. It's always a good idea to back stuff up just in case something does go wrong. So before you do this, it's highly recommended that you back everything up just in case. You're also going to want to get your key code, and you're also going to want to make sure that there's plenty of room on your computer to download this download. They recommend 20 to 40 gigs. Huh, that's huge. All right, that was painfully slow, or should I say it's still painfully slow. We're at 93% checking on updates. Okay. Making sure you're ready to install. So this is the point of no return. I'm ready to install. There it is right there. Okay. I am ready to install for free. So we're going to keep all the personal files and apps. We're going to click that install button, and here we go. All right, now it's installing Windows. It is going to take quite a bit of time, so I will not bore you with this. We'll come back and check it, see how it did. All right, now this has been sitting here for about 30 minutes. We're at 48% of the updates. You will see the screen for a long time, so don't worry about it. Your PC will restart several times during this process, and in the end, we're going to have a brand new copy of Windows 10. All right, we're getting into the home stretch on this download. We're at 98%. I'm going to let this record so you can see what happens after it gets to 100% here. There it is, we've reached 100%. It took approximately 45 minutes on this computer. And look at this. It's Windows 10 for free. Now, what are you going to do with that $140 I just saved you? Are you going to take your wife out to dinner? Are you going to take your husband out to dinner? Are you going to take your significant other out to dinner? What are you going to do with that money? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're going to do with it, because I just hooked you up. All right, the installation is complete. This is the first screen that you'll see. It's choose your privacy settings for your device. You pick what you want. I don't want my location on here. I'm going to click that off. You can find my device, advertising IDs. You want to change things, change them. If not, just click accept. And here you are. We have a beautiful version of Windows 10. Alright, so there you have it. I did it on Windows 7 and I did it on Windows 8. So if you haven't done it yet, get on it and do it. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check to see if there's any updates for my equipment here. I'm checking for updates for my apps and my system, graphics card, anything like that. So there you go. There's some more stuff right there that you need to download. I don't see anything. I see some Windows Defender, Adobe Flash. So we're going to install those. Okay, well that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you found it informative. I hope it works for you too. Like I said, I did it on Windows 7 and Windows 8. It works perfectly. I had no hiccups whatsoever. So if you like it, subscribe to the channel. Maybe I'll post something fun later on. If not, thank you for enjoying the video, and we'll see you next time.